Hello, everybody, and welcome today to the new edition of DocCon of the 2022. I'm Fatality Adam, your host of this edition, and we are with Nine Doctor. Say hi.
Hi.
So let's begin with the intro.
Yes. Oh, sorry. So, okay, everything seems to be working fine. I'm sorry, guys. I've sometimes there is some problem with the live. We have a lot of problem. So sorry, everyone.
Yeah.
But let's begin. Yes. Firstly, the biggest updates, the biggest news about Duck Mode is it will be released after the show.
Oh wow! I hope this viewer will be like it, the new version.
And yes, like the past years, we've done a little video to show all features, and then after we will speak about it, and why not, also with the community. I let you know with the new update video.
Okay, let's talk about the new version,
Y-
shall we?
yes, so first we've redone the title screen, so I'm gonna to show it. Sorry guys, I do have a little problem again, but we have redone the title screen. The old one was not so optimized and not too cool for me. And me to code, it was very awful, and the code was not so. Um, yeah, it was not so good.
Good
Sorry.
enough?
Yes, no, it was not like
Perfect
it was not coded in an optimized. I,
system?
yes, we are gonna to say
Yeah.
like it is. And so, well, now with my experience, I can fix it. And all the laggy stuff. But I decided that we need a complete redesign of the title screen, and we do have also a new logo, DocMod 5.0 that you see on the title screen. Uh, the logo is very beautiful, I think. And also the old buttons, the button of Minecraft, the classic button, are back also. So yeah, no more too much things awful. So now the title screen is better than before.
Also, I heard here that you have updated the dev mod system.
Yes, correct. Well, for the people who doesn't know, we have an option in the configuration of DocMod that allow for everyone if you want to run DocMod in a dev mode. It adds more information like how much RAM you are using for the game, the server you play on. Um, but now the new system is updated and we have the public dev mode and the private one now. The public just does what I've said here before, and the private one is only for the developers of the mode or people using the mode as something. And by something I mean I'm gonna to explain it later. But it allow you to do the same things that's the public one, and later the private one will allow some more things, private things that only in develop in the private dev mode will be available. And so the dev must not manually enable the dev mode because now we have a system that detects if we are running in dev mode or not.
Th- That's nice. Are you thinking about developers or other ones?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
What did you add to?
A new weapons. Wait, I have again a problem with my Stream Deck again. Okay.
Again.
Um, a new weapon called the Magic Wand, and when we have a target like a mob or a player, we can also uh, sorry, I have misread my line. And when we have a target like a mob or a player, we can, with a right click, send an effect to the entity, and it can also be upgraded. For instance, we have a cooldown on the item, but with an cooldown reducer enchantment, we can easily have not too much of a cooldown, and much more features will come later on it. But we will soon add more features on the magic wand.
Nice. Awesome.
Yep, also we've remake the old generation because the generation of Minecraft sometimes we have to record the generation because it changed again in 1.19, and the one from 1.18 to 1.19 was causing some crash. We also added geodes like amethyst.
Hey, that's pretty nice. I love that amethyst.
We will also add something special that should come, that should make some people happy, but we are adding computers, working computers to Minecraft. So with a terminal, it's still WAP for now, but uh, I tried to improve it, and yeah, improve it with the new with the community. Also because yes, now doc mode can be used as an API to make an add-on and code your own program for the computers in doc mode. Everything for the developers is on the wiki of our GitHub from our mod. The wiki is still in YP, but there is pretty much everything. Also, we are 7 on the live. That's awesome. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
But we will soon on our YouTube channel make tutorials for using DocMod as an API. The computer should be there for the 6.0 version of DocMod.
Nice.
We have also fixed a lot of bugs, and so now it must be more cool to play on.
I also heard that you changed the AI of the entities of the mod.
Yes, correct. And I am gonna to show you with with some image from videos from the dev version of the mode, but correct, the Dalek attack now the Cyberman, and the Cyberman attacked the Daleks. Also, I added the special weapons Dalek. Well, there is some problem with it, but it will be soon with the
Fixed.
textures, but it will be soon fixed. And yes, that's pretty much everything about the AA of the Daleks and the mob.
Now, after you say all of the news, features, fix, and more, what's the new update about?
The new this version of the dungeon is called, and you will understand why, it's called the dungeon updates. So
Wow.
you might know what it is about, and you must be certainly very happy.
Wow, after all this time for waiting.
Yes, remember it. Well, since doc mode 1.16.5, the first version of doc mode that we've said in DocCon 2021, that we are gonna to make this update, and now it will be released after the show. Just one thing, I do not have the sequence here, so we must go after the video, so you know in the script, because I
Yeah.
forget to add this, but no worries, it will be showed later. But yeah, like you will see, um, for it was for the dungeon update was basically for the second release of the mod, but there was a lot of problem that we encountered, and now you should see soon a video on our channel which where we which where we explain why it does come late these updates. And voila.
Okay. Okay, awesome. Well, thank you, Nevim Doctor,
No
for
problem.
everything. We'll
No
see
problem.
again you later in
No
the show.
problem. Thank you.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Now, let's invite Panarbel to join the stage. Hi,
Hi everyone.
it's
Hi
him.
Fatality Adam.
Hey, Panarbel. So let's take a seat.
Thanks.
Welcome to the stage, firstly.
Thanks.
So, you've working on a lot with the texture on the mod?
Yes, and that was a little difficult to find what to add to the mode. If we make some new features, they must be correctly usable. I've added some new items for the Alphinium stuff, and
Oh,
if you remember it, in the last show I said it was a god stuff, and yes, this stuff was complete. Now you have the armor, the sword, the pickaxe, the axe, and the shovel. You can craft the Alphinum ingot with his nuggets. If you have the entire stuff, you'll get an achievement. We will also, and more Albizia stuff, the Albizia bow with his arrow. The craft does not change except it's an Albizia stick and not a normal stick.
oh, nice. So, also
I
there are new
forgot one
around.
online.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry?
Also, there are new around things in the dark mod.
Yeah, the rondels are coming to Duck Mod, basically created for Run Things mode. We added the rondels of this mode to add some new decoration blocks, and for the future. You can find them in 10 colors of Minecraft, and you also have the classic rondels of the British series Doctor Who.
Oh, I'm so happy it will be useful for seeing like build or vanilla try this.
Yes, and also the dungeons are here, like Nine Doctor said. So we have worked on our first custom structure. They are some classic monsters of Minecraft and two of Doc Mod and some trap. We are so happy to announce this structure. After 1 year of work, this is out on our mod. It's, li- it's a little difficult for us to understand the jigsaw block, and the comments. But sorry, my French is coming back. I admit that I especially had a few difficulties to understanding it. It was very complex. We'll let you go to this update and test the dungeons and his variants. Also, we are going to update the dungeon from time to time. He's not finished.
That's amazing, Panda. Congratulations to the team and for this work.
Just one last thing.
Oh,
On the next update of Doc Mode 5.0, we will add painting. Yes, it will be available on the mode. We have some painting for the decoration, and in the future I'll add more and more in the small or biggest update. And don't forget, if you find some bugs in your game, you can report the bug.
okay. Thank you, Panda. So now let's invite the second developer of this mode, Killer.exe. Welcome into the scene.
Thank you.
Hi, so you've been working on the mod.
Yes, of course. I fix a lot of bug in myself and Nine Doctor I've worked on the computer system and also the API side of doc mode. The mod will be available to be used for your mode and so you can make add-ons for doc mode.
So what have you added to the mode?
Um yes, I added structures and other little things that I can't say because the community have to find themselves. The dungeon was messed to program his generation. I think there are still some bugs, but it will be fixed in future patch updates. I hype Nine Doctor to add the computer in the mode, but I think it's still work in progress.
Last question for you. Can you say what you want in the mod?
Just one thing is a music disc for the mode. I like to make some music, so you know.
Okay, thank you, Killer. Now let's make Nine Doctor and Panda come again on the stage and they will have an announcement for us.
Okay. So,
So you're back.
yes.
Yes,
Um, hello. Yes, I'm gonna to let Panda explain the news.
if you want, yes. Thank you. So we have started to create an add-on for Doc Mode, which adds compatibility between Doc Mode and Create. Yes, Doc Mode and Create will be compatible, and everything will be like working with Create machines with the this add-on we are working on.
No way, that's insane.
Um, so for the new add-ons, the add-on is nearly
So
finished, and a first release should come later soon. There's no date to be released because we have taken a lot of time on dock mode, and we will certainly be busy after the release.
Oh,
but this is not finished yet. The official community server will also be open after the live. Just fire up Minecraft with dock mode, and on the main title screen you have a button dock mode server.
damn, okay. Now you guys, the viewer, are also in the live. What do you think about this update? Let's see, chat. Will be coming later. But for now, let's see a video which show the progress of the mod.
Callisto.
Hello.
It can be painful to the eye.
Actually, the update is scaled. The dungeon update.
And voila, let's do the Q&A on the live.
Yep.
We're ready, guys. Don't be afraid to ask questions, or it's another. We will answer them all.
The first question is, what is the ordinal rotor? So, you must know the series Doctor Who. Well, the ordinal rotor come from
The first TARDIS.
yes, the first TARDIS of the Doctor, and we have added it because in dock mode there is all features, but also um, um, Doctor Who features like Rundle, the one things we have implemented the one of our mode in dock mode, and so you have dock mode with the Rundle, and you have another mode with the Rundle, with the content of dock mode not included, just the Rundle. Uh, Thank you a lot, Wobanks and Gara team. We really appreciate your reaction. And so I'm gonna to wait other question. Is there other question?
Don't
Don't
be
be afraid.
afraid, guys.
Don't worry, we're not biting yet.
Also, I'm gonna to speak during the time that there is no question, but
Nine Doctor and Killer are happy.
but sorry if this live does have some technical issues. We have a lot of problem, but hey, we have a high frame rate on the live. In
Yeah.
DocCon
Yeah.
2021, in DocCon 2021, there was like second question. Doc Dungeon will be full available in 5.0. So yes, but it can't be some issues we are
Yes.
working on, but the dungeon, the boss room and the boss, those generate. So you might have luck or not to have loot and not. Also,
And
a tips. Um, there is a chest somewhere. You must look after it. Uh, Kelar, you want to say something?
I personally work on that structure, and it was very hard though. And new, I'm totally new on the structures on Minecraft. So, is there some issues you can report at the GitHub repo, like Panda and 9 said before? So don't worry, it's my fault if there are some problems.
yes, you can find the report button on the
Pause
pause
menu.
menu
I'm gonna to
on your
show
screen.
it. I'm gonna to show it, guys. Here you have a report button. I do not know if you see it, but here on my camera, you have a report button. But do not worry. There will be a quick recapitulation of all features we have said. We have a third question from Robanks, as in English. Is there TARDIS? Well, you might have
Not
seen.
now.
Yes, but please let me speak. Um,
No, I
on
want to talk.
yes, you can.
Talk
I let you
then.
talk.
You can, but I'm just gonna to mention something. Yes, you might have seen
Teaser.
videos with TARDIS a bit functioning, but it's a features that will come far away, so it's not for now. Panda, if you have something to say,
So sorry, sorry, doctor.
no problem.
We have Scorpiosis said we didn't see the report button on the pause
On the
menu
screen.
Oh, okay.
in the right.
I can't. Maybe, yeah, I know. I can't show you like this, but here you have a report button. So you click on. I'm not gonna to do it because I'm on the machine who's living, and it's very hard to have a high frame rate, etc. So I'm not gonna to do it, but you have a report button. You click on it, and you will be in our GitHub repository in issues section. You just need to do a new issues, and everything will be alright.
And
So
you need an account.
yes, I'm gonna to let Panda answering the question of Gara team.
Mm, is it's for you, but if you want, I can say the question.
You can't.
Is there it?
I'm gonna to answer it. Yes, and we have
Nine doctor. It's
yes,
for you
yes, I'm speaking.
Oh,
Okay, so
in
sorry, my
in your
connection.
head.
No, my connection was a bit. Yeah, I've seen my connection lost a packet, but yeah, everything is alright. So I'm gonna to answer it. I do have modified the Sonic walk, the system of the Sonic. Now, when he is off,
Sorry.
we can't use it. But yes, we are gonna to add features. Yes, I've think it. I do have thinking about it, and yes, we will implement new features on the Sonic. Yeah. Is there other question?
No?
We
Don't be afraid.
we we, j- we just
don't
need
I'm
be afraid to ask question,
Don't
guys.
be
Please.
afraid.
we just need to
I
wait.
maybe have I
We
We
ju-
maybe
are
have
not going to eat you.
the
I maybe have a
gen
question.
Dungeon
but I
will
will
be
say it maybe.
hard, diamond, netherite, or ether. I'm gonna to let Panda answer it if you want.
No, I don't want to speak. My English is not really perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna to do it. Or Killer, do you want?
So I didn't understand all the question. Can you repeat,
Okay,
please?
I'm gonna. Dungeon will be hard, diamond slash netherite, or ether.
Oh, so with the message generation of the dungeon, it will be hard, um, because the boss at the end is kind of hard to fight. So you do some diamond or netherite stuff to fight it, and also you can visit if the dungeon is quite big. You can visit it without the boss room to get some loot. So if you are in iron armor, so you can go to the chest, but except the boss room. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, now we have two questions. I'm gonna to let Panda answering
Fatality.
to
Fatality.
fatality. Okay,
Yeah,
fatality. You can speak now. Sorry.
yeah, it's okay.
So you can read the question.
Will be there a new planet slash dimension in the dark mode?
Um,
Um.
we are working on uh, a new dimension slash planet, and
But we can say more.
Yes,
we can
and
say more.
It's a
y-
secret.
yeah.
It's secrets and it's work in progress. Thanks,
Yes.
guys.
With
Work in
something
progress.
with something you can already see what we are working on in the planet, and you can already be on this dimension, but secret. You must see it by yourself.
Yeah.
It's work in progress, so don't be worried if you see water and in real life there is no water on this planet. This second question is, I'm gonna to let Fatality
What
see it.
what were the foods we saw in the trailer, and also the dimension with the purple grass?
Purple grass.
Purple grass.
Ah,
Purple grass
Ah.
the death biome biome
Okay, I see.
with the Zerbitrice.
Okay,
Yes.
I see, I see. So, so the foods, it's the base foods of dog mode with new textures, but we do have added new food. Like I'm gonna to show you, we have added the ice cream, the
Mm.
hamburger, and the dog team cola. So it's three new foods that you can craft also. There is a craft. It's working. And also some textures of the mode and content, features, etc. are maybe for some times work in progress, just textures. Like the ice cream, it's work in progress for the textures, but yeah. And what is the dimension with the purple grass? It's well, it's not a dimension, but a biome from 1.16.5. The biome is no more here because of change with the Forge API and Minecraft, but um, it was a biome with death. It's a biome death. So, like, for
A death
instance,
biome.
yes, for instance, the plains, but death, and the entity called the Zorbetrius do have popularized the biome, and this is their biomes. There is another question. I'll let someone else to say
Yeah,
it and maybe
There
answer
is a
it.
French question from Garretin.
Okay.
so the block that we see in the video, the yellow block, no, the yellow brick and blocks that you said with the 10 cores. That's what you said?
Uh, yes,
The Randalls.
no, I don't think it's about the this block with the bricks. You know, the first textures block from the mod. You remember, Panda?
Yes, the 1.60.5.
Yes. So there is no reference. It's just a decorational
This blog,
block.
this blocks comes to the recap video
Yes.
of the
So
evolutions of the modes.
yes. So you can use it's basically bricks colored, or for something else, it can be a wall for house. You know, it's deco stuff, but uh, there is no special references. So yeah,
I maybe have a question that you all
yes,
know.
you can ask to us.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the mod that you preview, when we see some new trees that's new, right?
You mean the Alpecia tree?
Yeah,
It's
basically.
it's not a new tree. It's just
It's the first tree
added to the
on
game.
the mode. Yeah.
Yes.
And
No,
it's
no,
mine.
It's
no,
yours.
because
Don't worry.
It's
Dep-
no, be-
mine.
Panda will be angry if you do use this planks.
I don't like this wood.
You can have an achievement. Well, we have two other questions.
will you have different type of weapons like long swords or blades of axe or and dagger?
So for long, I do not think no. I'm
Mm.
battle axe maybe, dagger no, and long sword no. Why? Because I prefer to have well, I prefer to have um
uh,
weapons with lasers and not weapons like in real life, but no, I do not want to have a long sword of this kind of stuff
yeah.
because I think that doc mode can maybe sometimes be messy with stuff, but I'm trying to improve it and I do not want to add weapons like this. But maybe later, I do not know. I might change.
In
I
mind,
I
in your
might
mind.
change. Yes, my mind. We have another
and
question.
and
S-
wait, please. And
Sorry.
Okay.
like the name of the mode, Doc mode is a reference of Doctor Who
And Doc Team and
and
90
Doc
Doctor
Team
Who.
and
Mm. Myself.
etc. etc. Blah 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 blah.
I'm narcissistic. Just kidding. So, um, we have another question. What is the inspiration of Cyberman's which generation? The entities in the modes. Well, it's from the lastest. Like you can see Cyberhuman, it's inspired from Ashad, the Cyberman that we have last seen that was
The Lost
Cyberman,
Cybermen,
yes, Cyberman and
the
Human,
season 12
and 13,
and 30,
as you do have
and the
seen.
special.
So
Yes,
I see a question on the chat. Will be
yes.
there new tools in the next version of the
Oh,
in
I
the
don't
future?
know.
You do have missed one. Why they have
Oh,
some black mask, uh,
Ah,
black
I see.
mask.
And we can see the
I do not see.
How
controller
to
of
say?
our body.
I do not
Buddy?
see
Hi.
what's the black port, the black mask, but
The black mask is the black
Black
mouth.
mask.
mm,
mask. What are you trying to say? Can you repeat the
That's
question, Romanis?
visible on on the series on
Oh,
Doctor
The
Who.
series. The Cyberman with the black mask.
yeah.
oh, oh
And
yeah,
we can see the brain of Cyberman
oh yeah,
in the
yeah,
Ah,
series.
yeah, yeah. I mean,
yeah.
I know what you mean. Um,
Well, I am not in this stuff. Sorry. Will
We didn't understand the question totally,
will
so.
there be new tours in the next version or in the futures? Of course. That's logic. The mod will get bigger and bigger with update and time.
Yeah.
Like you see, the first release of Doc Mode there was pretty nothing, but now in Doc Mode 1.19 you must see the code. There is
Nice stuff.
sorry killer. There is a lot of class.
Yes.
And
Lot of
so
classes.
it's all class represents 1 year, 1 year of works, because yes, the 14, sorry guys, I'm a bit tired. The
Mm.
the 24, sorry, the 24th of October, it was the first birthday of DocMod, and so we have implemented. You can look here the cake.
Yeah.
The cake for the first anniversary of the
Yeah,
mod.
yeah,
Hey.
yeah. One cake with one candle. Perfect.
Yes.
But there's something we can add to cake. We can eat it.
I want a
So,
piece. I want a piece.
Adam, you can read the other question.
Yeah, yeah. What's the duty of the old Steve?
I will respond to this.
Do it.
Go.
The utility of the old Steve is like the idiot villager.
You know,
It's
the
not
Oh,
really useful.
it
It's
just
just for
That
the decoration of
yes.
another biome, the
yes,
classic
Yeah.
biome.
a future
Another
biome
decoration for a
that should
biome.
be
A
added for
future.
1.918,
Sorry,
but yes, but
spoiler.
y-
Sorry.
no worries.
That's
So you
no
will
worries.
see it will be maybe useful for later, but for now it's per decorational, and also it will be it will be
stop fighting.
on the biome later soon. You will soon see it. Killer, you can read the following question.
What?
Will there also be new models and sonic screwdrivers, block temp tools?
I don't know.
You don't
I don't
know?
know if it will be a new model for the Sonic Screwdriver, but maybe. I don't know because I
Well,
don't
I'm
even
gonna
work
to
very well on Sonic.
I'm gonna to answer
We'll
it
see
also.
later.
Yeah.
But for sonic screwdriver must be seen, but for items, block and tools, of course. The other question from Robanks.
It's basically
Authority,
the
can you
same,
read
but
this?
for the reference of
Can,
Doctor. So,
can you can
did you did you add an element of Doctor who likes the emblematic clothes, fairs, scarves, the umbrella of the festive McCoy, sorry, or
Okay.
besides?
well, I'm gonna to answer it also.
Okay.
But we do have added some features, but not everything. But I've thinking about and should be in a future update of 5.1, 2, 3. I don't know.
I
I
don't
do not
know.
know. But yes, I have already thinking about it, and maybe for the umbrella, it will be maybe soon added, and also for the fairs, yes, maybe. Um, why are you doing the live in English? And I think he said, and not French. Well,
Uh-huh.
it's a bit logic because um,
Um,
We
It's an
the
will
international mod.
we will
yes,
make the modes in international.
yeah.
the community of the mod is also the community of the modder of Minecraft is also in English, so it's
Yeah.
yes. If you do not make something
Phases,
like a
phases are cool. Yes.
Yes, they are, and I do have one.
Also, I
if you do a private server, you can't do your mod in French, but here it's an international mode, so it's
yeah.
basically in English, but we will
And
engage some people to do French translation on videos.
maybe we don't know. But I can add something because also we need to the live be more accessible for people. So imagine some English people going in live, so they doesn't understand, and that's quite a problem. So this is why we do in English. So sorry, guys, if some of us have bad English, but that's the work. That's how it works. So yeah,
Okay.
We
So,
make our best
yes, exactly.
do
to speak.
we do we take the last one question?
Yes.
One
O-
last question.
One
Yeah,
last.
thank you. One last.
And maybe at the end a
Okay,
second
so the one.
FAQ, but not for now. Now it's we are gonna to continue to answer the last question of Warbanks, and then we will continue our script. So the question is: will you be the biggest competitors of Dalek Mode? Well,
No,
no, no.
So I can take the
Yes,
lead for
yes,
Yes,
this.
yes. You can, you can.
We are not in competition with
any
the
modes,
Dalek modes
any modes,
and other modes. It's not a competition for us. It's just our modes,
and have fun also to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
and
the issue to be fixed.
voila.
It's
We
a
are not in
pleasure.
competition with Dalek mode.
Yes, and we do love Dalek mode, TARDIS mode, everything. But for us, they are like friends. Well, yes, sometimes between modes they and peoples also there can be times when it's hard, conflict, etc. But
Blah blah blah.
I'm
basically it's life.
my mind said that we should be everyone should be friend in the modding community. Just like do not if you are a modder, do not steal code. Just read the license if you can take code or not, and we should be friend if you do respect the license. Also, if you help the my mode, the doc mode or other mode, it can be very cool for us. And
Yeah.
yes, we are a team
And
that we. Oh, okay. Oh, I lost again a packet, but
yeah.
I'm like, you know, I do not, I do not want any competition. We are just my team and myself. We are like fun. We code for our pleasures, and
Yeah.
the other mode are like friends modes, and we are happy also to play on it. And we know sometimes, like for the Dalek mod, for instance, we know the staff of other mod also, so we are friends with them. And yes, we are friends, and I mean, we are not hostile. You see.
We are not.
We are
We're
not a
not
Daleks
monsters.
or a Cybermen.
Yeah, we're not Cybermen or Weeping Angels. No, it's purely friendly.
Don't blink.
Yes.
Never
So
blink.
I'm
In
gonna
Minecraft, that's not possible.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna to
Those
like
angels.
I'm gonna to late to late to sorry, I'm a bit rusted. I'm gonna to late the presentators to continue
The
the
show.
the script. Yes.
The script.
Okay,
And thanks for your questions,
Yes.
everyone.
Maybe after we
everyone,
will
thank you.
also maybe later after the show will be answer it, but now we will continue the show. So Adam, let's read.
Okay, so let's go. So you have coded the Sonic Screwdriver this time.
Yes. So, this time, well, it was basically in 1.18, but now it's more fixed and more cool, etc., etc. So also we have coded new features, and so now the Sonic is in a final stage, and it's perfectly working, very fine. Also, there can be some issues. It can happen, but please report it on the GitHub. And so, yes, that's all.
Nice. Well, I'm happy. I'll use every time. It's useful in TNT, for instance.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Awesome. Have you some other question?
Yes. Do you have other questions? It's the end. So, do you have any question?
to redo
Don't
everything.
be afraid.
No, don't say again.
Uh,
I'm gonna to go with some production that I've done, but do not really work today. But so you know that we have worked on the Dalek and also other entities AA. So so you can see that they attack like in the series each other. In second things, we have also something that we have forget to speak about. We have added escape cloak for the team and also
Wait,
other people from the team or contributor. Other features we do have done some new model with light map. We call it like that. It's well some part of the entity that glow in the night. We have oh okay. We have also like I said the cake of the birthday anniversary. We have new food textures and new food also. And we have a custom naming for each of some stuff, not every stuff, but you can try to see it. You can, but you see on the screen how it's working, and it's very nice. We have the bundles now that's been implemented, so you can use it to decoration stuff. Like Panda said, we have also an armor and stuff for the Alphinum. Another features, we have added a report button on the escape, and you will see on the screen that you can report bugs. So also we do have changed the title screen. Now I'm gonna to let you with a recapitulation of all I just said in a video with music, etc. Let's see it. So guys, I'm gonna to answer a question from the chat, and then I'm gonna to show you again a recapitulation, and then we will speak for the last time. So How did you made for the set keyword name on item textures? I mean custom naming. It's you must understand what I said, but we have edited a file from Minecraft, from the resource Minecraft, that say if there is this character, you must place these textures in the naming. So I mean I've done a textures, and in the language files you will see a character, and the character represents the textures. Now I'm gonna
Yeah.
to let you with the recapitulation, and then we will speak.
Hello, I'm Ballisto.
Hello.
It can be painful to the eyes.
Actually, the update is scaled. The dungeon update.
awesome.
You can go on, Panda.
Yes, I have one more thing for you.
We do not know what it
At
is.
midnight, at midnight,
Oh,
that will be a special day for our boss, if I
oh.
Birds.
that
Ah, that's so
that
cute.
will be the Ninth Doctor birthday. Happy
Hey,
birthday, my brother!
thank you,
Happy
my
Yeah, yeah.
birthday!
brother. Thank you. It will be in a
Happy
few
birthday!
minutes, but thank you a lot, guys. But
Like
You're
Dogmod.
welcome, guys. You're welcome, dude.
Yeah, happy birthday!
yeah, I'm born 4 days and a few days, of course, later than Doc Mode. It's a pure coincidence.
Yes.
But thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And
Welcome.
For one last thing, no, the Albizia wood does not like the cactus.
I know,
Oh,
it doesn't act like the cactus, don't worry.
oh, there is my IRL friends. Thank you. Thank you.
so can we finish, guys?
Okay, yeah, yeah, of course. We can finish.
Yes.
Well,
Okay.
we can finish.
So, guys, I'm gonna to set the camera from here, but everyone, I'm very thankful to you. Thank you very very much for everything. And guys, stop! I can't speak with you. So
Speak!
thank
Speak!
thank you everyone
Cake.
for saying me happy birthday, and also thank you to support DocMod. DocMod will be soon on CurseForge. We will you must know that CurseForge take a certain time to out our version, and this is why we will set a link in our announcement to download DocMod. It will be faster for you. So thank you everyone to followed our live. And thank you for happy birthday, everything. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Move,
you,
Bye.
move from
everyone.
the
Thank
cake.
Bye
you. Thank you,
bye.
guys.
See ya,
Bye.
guys.
Oh,
Goodbye.
also
See you.
we might we will probably maybe make a live stream soon on the server, so you can join the server when you have downloaded
Bye.
the mod. Bye bye, guys.
See
See
you
ya.
soon. Or see you
See you
See
later.
soon on the
you
man.
Bye
See you
later.
soon on
bye.
the mod and on the
Hey.
Discord. Ah merde.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. We have forgotten something before the live. I'm gonna to wait. We have forget to announce the we
Okay,
ha
contest.
yes,
The winner.
and
The winner.
I'm gonna to
DocCon.
say it. So wait. I'm gonna to do a quick math. Um. So wait, because I do
The
not
winner.
have down the vote. So stay tuned. I'm gonna to say in a few minutes the winner of the contest.
Let's go.
So
Let's
please
go.
wait.
Yo. Who win? Who
Who
win?
win?
Who win?
Who?
Who win?
Who?
Who
Who
wins?
win?
Who wins?
Who win?
Who
Who
wins?
win?
Who
Who
wins?
win?
Who wins?
Doctor Who? Wait, what?
What?
So who win the contest? I want to know. Give me
Like
the chair.
like those mob
Move.
votes
Give me the chair.
of Minecraft.
Oh, can punch you.
Hamburger.
And so
And
This burger.
the
The winner is.
So, Nine Doctor, can you tell me the winner?
yes, please wait.
Okay.
I'm
who
fin.
wins? Who wins? Who wins?
Wins.
Who wins?
Who wins? Who wins?
You're so excited to see.
Everybody with us in the chat.
So,
Who wins?
into
Who
Win
wins?
two,
into
win two,
wait,
win.
wait, wait. Into last place.
Okay.
Sorry, we have Scorpiosis. Sorry, man.
Sorry,
Sorry,
dude.
go process.
We can.
Wait, we need a tempo. Wait, we need sound.
We shall salute you.
Okay, so
So, the second is between Fatality and Miss is. I'm sorry, it's our presenter, it's a hoster. It's Fatality in the second place.
Oh
Uh,
With
no!
with
I
six
do
Rest in
votes.
peace, bro.
With
And
six
for the first
votes.
place,
In the first place we have Miss Wu. Congratulations. So
congratulations, Miss
Congratulations,
Who.
Miss Who.
you win
so
the contest.
I know she's not into life, but for Scorpiosis I'm gonna to say everything. Scorpiosis, there is no one that vote for you except myself.
And
Uh,
me. That's kind of
for
fun.
for you
Hey.
do not have oh sorry, yes you do, sorry, but you are last one, sorry. um so for Fatality no one vote for you in the staff, but the member of the community have voted 6 times for you.
Yeah.
For Miss Wu, 2 people have voted for Miss Wu in the staff and 6 in the community. So the winner is Miss Wu. Congratulations, Miss Wu.
Congratulations.
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 Sorry for you,
Congratulations,
Adam,
Mickey.
but
It will be
that's
soon available on the mode. And guys, remember, uh, we are gonna to be on the community server. So when we give you the link to download the mode, download it, and why not join us to test the mode? Well, goodbye everyone. This was 90 and the team. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See ya,
goodbye.
guys.
See ya.